This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pamela Ratfield. Open and bright floor plan. Completely fenced in backyard with wood shadow box fencing that is encased with lush landscaping, irrigation system and alarm system included. Ironwood floor plan with 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. Walk in the home from a covered entry with double doors leading into the living room and dining area, then proceed to the split bedroom plan. Master bedroom with 2 custom closets, large vanity and master bath with 2 sinks, separate soaking tub and walk-in shower. Kitchen looks out over the immense great room and breakfast area to the generous covered patio. The backyard is the perfect place for entertaining with multiple covered entertainment areas with a large lap pool west/waterfall feature. Let's not forget the 3-car garage, and the paved entrance and covered patio. For more information, review the details below or contact Pamela Ratfield at 321-308-3244.